Let's see how we make trousers in our factory. Precision starts with perfect color matching, ensuring consistency and premium appeal. Expert pattern marking lays the foundation for a flawless fit. Each piece is carefully traced and precisely cut to meet international standards. Strong, clean pocket sewing adds everyday functionality. Secure zip pockets are crafted for safety and convenience. Professional overlocking enhances strength, comfort, and durability. Perfectly stitched buttonholes are machine-made for accuracy and long-lasting performance. Our premium encased elastic method delivers superior comfort with a clean, refined finish. Rib cuffs are carefully sewn onto the bottom of the trousers, providing a secure fit and a modern, sporty finish. High-quality heat transfer branding adds a sharp, durable identity. Crafted with care, tested for quality, designed to perform. Gmans International, where precision meets performance.